Hello watch fam, today I just want to do a very quick unboxing of a watch that I just received in the mail. First and foremost, I would like to thank @averagewatches on Instagram for organizing this giveaway, and also of course RZE Watches, which is the watch here, for sponsoring the giveaway as well. So thank you so much to them. I got lucky in the draw, and yeah, let's go quickly to unbox it. Packed very carefully, as you can see. I usually unbox my stuff a lot more neater than this. It's just because it's on a video, so well, I want to make it quick. I guess that is RZE's tagline, assembled for adventure. Nice little card as well. Oh, that looks like quite a nice fancy little box. And a very nice leather watch case. So here you get the watch itself. Watch here is the RZE Resolute. To be honest, my hands on one. What else comes with the package? A thank you card, clean cloth, and stickers. This does look like a rather posh leather case for the watch. So, first impressions, let me zoom in a little bit. It is titanium, runs the Seiko NH35 movement. So right off the bat, what I can say, it is definitely a light watch, but surprisingly not as light as I thought it would be. I think it's because of the movement, of course. I think this has a very nice balance of titanium and a movement that is a little bit weighty, I would say. So it does feel pretty good. And one very quick one on this as well, it's actually treated titanium with a coating, 1200 Vickers. So as far as I know, some other companies do this as well. As you can imagine, I think Zin, Damasco, and these kind of treatments do help protect the watch by quite a bit. 1200 Vickers isn't a joke, and I've heard of some of these watches with these coatings actually going by like many years and it still looks like brand new. I think coupled with the sapphire glass here, pretty sure the watch will look very good even after a couple of years of wearing it. I think that's one of the main advantages. The other one is, I would say, legibility is pretty awesome. You can see the black dial and the white markers make it very easy to read. So that's just a quick first impression. It comes with a canvas strap, I think canvas lining on the outside and genuine leather lining on the inside. As usual, it's a new canvas strap, so it does feel quite stiff. Time will tell if it will be more flexible and more comfortable. I think the buckle is titanium as well. The nice R engraved or embossed in it. So that's just my very quick unboxing. Hopefully after a couple of weeks after trying the watch out, I'll be able to give a full review on this. See you guys in the next video.